If you've ever noticed your houseplants looking more vibrant after a gentle rain, it's not your imagination. Rainwater isn't just a convenient watering source. It's one of the most beneficial types of water you can give your indoor plants. Compared to tap or well water, rainwater is softer, cleaner, and more aligned with what plants experience in nature. In this guide, we'll explore why rainwater is superior, how to collect it safely, and how to replicate its benefits if you live in a dry region or apartment. The unique benefits of rainwater for houseplants. Rainwater is naturally soft, meaning it contains very low levels of dissolved minerals like calcium and magnesium. In contrast, hard tap water often leaves mineral residues in your plant's soil, which over time can interfere with nutrient absorption, lead to salt buildup, and cause leaf tip burn beyond its softness. Rainwater is also free from chemical additives. Most municipal water is treated with chlorine or chloramine, along with fluoride in some areas, all of which can be harmful to sensitive houseplants. When used over time, these chemicals can stress roots and negatively impact the microbial life in your plant's potting mix. Another key benefit is pH rainwater tends to be slightly acidic, usually between 5.5 and 7.0, which is ideal for most indoor plants. Many houseplants thrive in soil with slightly acidic conditions, where nutrients are more readily available at the root level. Finally, rainwater offers a subtle but valuable bonus. It contains small amounts of natural nitrogen, absorbed from the atmosphere during rainfall. This nitrogen arrives in a plant-friendly nitrate form, providing a gentle nutrient boost that supports healthy green foliage. How to harvest rainwater for indoor plant. Use. Collecting rainwater for houseplants doesn't require a complex setup. Even small-scale systems can yield great results. Use a rain barrel or container under a downspout to capture roof runoff. Add a fine mesh screen over the top to filter out debris and keep mosquitoes out. If you live in an apartment or condo, you can place shallow containers on a balcony to catch rain during storms. Even short showers can collect enough water for several watering sessions. Once collected, store rainwater in a cool, shaded area, ideally in opaque containers to prevent algae growth. Make sure the water is at room temperature before using it on houseplants to avoid root shock. This simple habit not only benefits your plants, but also reduces reliance on treated water, making it a sustainable gardening choice. How to mimic rainwater in dry or urban areas. What if you live somewhere it barely rains, or you don't have a way to collect it? Fortunately, you can still simulate many of rainwater's advantages with a few adjustments. Let tap water sit for 24 to 48 hours. This allows chlorine to evaporate, though not chloramine, making the water gentler on your plants. Use filtered water. A basic activated carbon filter, like a pitcher filter, or a reverse osmosis system can remove many of the minerals and additives found in tap water. Repurpose indoor condensation. Water collected from air conditioners or dehumidifiers can be used. Just ensure it's clean and free from contaminants. Flush the soil regularly. Even if you're stuck using hard water, watering deeply once a month helps wash out built-up salts and minerals from the soil water slowly and thoroughly. Mimic the gentle soaking of rain by watering over time rather than in one quick pour. This ensures deep hydration and encourages healthy root development. Key tips and considerations. While rainwater is excellent, there are a few things to keep in mind for safety and effectiveness. Don't collect rainwater from rooftops treated with chemicals or in areas where contaminants, like bird droppings, are common. Keep rainwater containers covered and labeled to avoid accidental use of old or unsafe water. Always monitor your plant's response. If leaves perk up, growth increases, and soil dries evenly, you're on the right track. Final thoughts: rainwater is more than just natural. It's one of the most efficient and plant-friendly ways to hydrate your houseplants. It supports healthy roots, cleaner soil, and stronger growth, all without the downsides of treated municipal water. And even if you can't collect it, replicating its benefits is entirely possible with a few mindful watering habits. Whether you're a seasoned indoor gardener or just starting out, switching to rainwater or mimicking its properties can lead to visibly healthier plants. Your pothos, fiddle leaf figs, and calatheas will thank you.